my mind. Outside in the night, outside in the day. Looking back on the track, gonna do it my way. Outside in the night, outside in the day. Looking back on the track, gonna do it my way. Looking back.
Kids going to be watching this? Better not tell you to fuck off. Fuck off.
Hey, the boys in preparation.
Hey Jimmy,
How you going?
you sleep well last night, mate?
Not really.
Pretty comfortable?
It was comfy, but I didn't sleep well.
Oh, alright. What have you got?
Is anybody in Marty's truck?
476675?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's not
Yeah, do you
what
want to jump in?
The sexiest van in the world.
That is a sexy man. Is that coming off some extreme four-wheel driving this afternoon?
Yep.
No one told me they were shooting a fucking movie.
You are now.
I think, and group decision here, but if the second person waits on the corner or any intersection and lets everybody else pass them except the rear marker, and that way you'll get to change different positions. You also get to jostle for position. It's a bit of a different thing than you're used to. Is everybody happy with that?
Yep, I'm happy to be at the back as well.
So Marty stays at the back, generally Clint is at the front.
You don't pass anyone.
Nope, I'm not going to pass anyone, just so everyone knows that,
The
alright?
second person at an intersection, the second person holds their position until they catch up with Marty, and everybody passes through them.
There he comes, the man of power.
Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. And I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smile from my face. 'Cause I'm all over the place.
Don't stop, keep going.
Jokers to the right, here I am, stuck in the
Couple of hours.
when you started out with nothing and you're proud of you're a self-made man. And your family all come calling, slap you on the back and say,
Waiting for the boys. There's Donna. We had a bit of a problem getting through, so we've had to stop.
Hey! Are you fucked?
Yep.
Got the fire going.
And stirring it up.
Nigel's hard at work getting wood. And also getting actual wood for the fire. any signs of them. There's just a road closure down there. We couldn't go any further because the old Vito just couldn't cope with the ice. It is now negative 0.5 degrees. Minus a half a degree. Oh yeah. I want my mommy. This is too wildery for me.
God, it's beautiful.
Toasty.
Nothing more? Oh, yeah. Full toast. Beautiful. Only spots cold and fingers.
Anybody looking forward to sitting in front of the fire tonight?
Yeah. I wasn't going to share that with anyone, but yeah.
Not that nice. Are you on reserve?
So it's now 10 past 2. Lovely warm fire. And we're still alone together. Feel like making a movie.
I'm fucking nice, fast.
Nice.
Right at the bottom.
No, small one.
Big mate, it's open. Right, cool.
Well, I can only suggest that probably the four-wheel drive's bogged and in lots of trouble. And I would say the motorbikes probably didn't even make it up to the junction because it wouldn't have been far much worth to come to visit us for lunch.
Careful!
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight.
So I'm thinking they've missed each other and they're probably still looking for each other, and I'd say they're going to have a long afternoon travelling back in wet, cold, freezing conditions, whereas we're warm as toast and dry. That about sums it up.
Oh, he's down! I'll give you a hand, but I'm holding the camera.
They didn't make it through to the lunch point, so who knows what happened in between.
And we enjoyed a luxurious lunch.
Yes, bacon and eggs, followed by sausages, and whatever else we wanted to eat out of the van.
I don't need a cure. I just stay affecting if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. Hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. All the good love.
Feel like making a movie.
All alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm
away from me.
that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling.
Not sure where we are. We can't be too far away from the destination. It's freaking freezing, snowing. That cloud is issuing a lot of snow. Lucky to get this far. Hopefully the snow won't get too much deeper. I think the others are struggling a wee bit.
How's the spray off the front wheel?
Yeah, I know.
Straight up in your truck.
And it ain't warm, is it? It's not tropical.
I'd say they're going to have a long afternoon travelling back in wet, cold, freezing conditions, whereas we're warm as toast and dry.
The Tower of Power covered in snow.
I was going really well, and you know that steep hill? I hit that in a rock, and got stuck. Hold it on. Hold it on while I keep going.
Go, Joey!
You knew that was going to happen.
Joey!
Burn a couple of calories today.
Non-graceful end.
And a miracle. They have managed to arrive not 8 hours after they set out.
Fucking hell!
Where have you been? We were seriously just about ready to pack up.
We were throwing ice on the fire.
Me?
We were throwing ice on the fire. We had a massive bonfire going and we were throwing ice on it going, we're going.
I was throwing ice on the fire and I've been accused of many things.
Mate, you can throw ice on my fire anytime.
I'm going to get in trouble because I was having a shit of a time in the snow and Carey said, oh, let me ride the bike. And I said, yep, just at that next bend. And I didn't fall off and he didn't get to ride and he's sitting on my roof.
Non-graceful end.
He's sitting on your roof?
Yeah, no, he's holding on. Oh, fuck. That's good.
So that was hard work.
Yes, we earned no money today.
Good.
Come around, do it again. Sorry about that. I meant to stop, the brakes didn't work.
That is the coolest thing ever.
It took you fucking, it took you,
Across the plateau and the snow and the road. And
it took you long enough.
Yeah, I know, I broke my bike.
You broke your bike. Whose bike is that one?
Paul's.
Does it
I
for
didn't
you?
know whether to piss, shit or wind my watch.
Oh, fantastic. Goes alright?
Fantastic.
What is it?
The Yamaha. And it's the only Yamaha. I'm not riding it anymore.
KTM's against them.
How was the snow up there? Was it like fucking snowy?
Mate, it was grease.
Yeah.
It was like riding in a slushy for hours. It was just insane. It was just for hours and hours. I mean.
Fucking hell. Yeah, the Vito only got so far before it started sliding back down the hill. We heard.
The man of the back, Tom.
He's here, the legend, the man.
The myth.
The myth. That's true.
once a move.
Looks like you've been asleep for about 3 hours.
Hey, get his eyelids.
I have.
Did you have a snooze in the car?
Get his burnt eyelids.
Oh, what happened? Have a little bit of a
Petrify. It's called petrify.
Yeah. That snow was just weird. Like I've ridden in it before.
Snow.
It was just icy.
That's not the normal type of snow though you get.
No.
No.
Something it's soft and fluffy and easy
No,
to
it's
land.
ice and
just go absolutely balls out.
because it was coming down on the car. We sat in it for about an hour and a half, and it was just hard ice.
Yeah.
Okay, riders, we're going to take you around one more time.
Back in the saddle, round 2, it's the final leg. You'll be right. You'll be in front of the fire at the pub pretty soon. Having a nice hot meal.
won't see that in summer.
It's all about the ice. The kids love the ice.
Kids these days, fucking kids.
Now let me get this straight. Put the lime in the coconut, you drank hold up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drank hold up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drank hold up.
So you're not
I
riding
can always
anymore?
hear him coming.
I think you've done enough riding. How far into it before it died?
Just down the road, about 5 k's down the road.
You're such a silly woman. Put a lime in the coconut and drink.